what is V2L and how to manage it. In the beginning, from the homepage, let's go to battery. As you can see right here, we've got the V2L menu. In context of MG S5, V2L is the feature that turns your car into a giant mobile power bank. Instead of just drawing electricity into the battery to drive, V2L allows you to pull electricity out of the car's high voltage battery to power standard external electronics. How does it work? Firstly, insert discharge connector, then set maximum discharge limit, and then press start discharging button. Here you can adjust discharge limit. Typically, MG's V2L system output around 2.2 kW to 2.5 kW of power, which is plenty to run camping gear, laptops, projectors, or speakers for outdoor events, e-bikes, or electronic scooters that need top-up, essential home appliances during temporary power outage. Tapping this tab on your screen will open up the control interface where you can monitor how much power you are drawing and manage the discharge settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.